Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to make this easy bracelet that you can make in just few minutes. This is Banoris Channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. At first make a simple stitch. The number of chains should be based on the wrist size. For this sample, I'm making 57 chains. And now in the first chain, make one single crochet. And in the second one double crochet. In the third one single crochet. In the fourth one double crochet. One single crochet and one double crochet. Alternate these two, and this would be the pattern of the first row. While doing the last double crochet stitch in the last chain, add another yarn with a different color. One chain, turn and work around. Keep in mind to keep and hold this first yarn, or in this case blue yarn, while crocheting. In the same stitch, one single crochet. In the next stitch, one double crochet. In the third one single crochet. In the fourth one double crochet. The pattern in this row should be the opposite of the previous row. This is how. Wherever we did a single crochet in the previous row, now we do a double crochet, and vice versa. While doing the last double crochet stitch, take the first blue yarn and complete the stitch. One chain, turn and work around, and again hold this red yarn from behind while crocheting. In the first stitch, one single crochet. In the next one double crochet. One single crochet. One double crochet, and repeat this process. Wherever we did a single crochet in the previous row, now we should do a double crochet stitch, and vice versa. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.